The Sirov titanium cutting board set uses pure titanium with a completely non-porous surface, so it does not trap moisture, odors, or food residue the way wooden or plastic boards often do. Because the boards resist absorbing smells and juices, they stay noticeably fresher between uses and feel more hygienic when switching between meat, fruit, and vegetables. Cleanup is very straightforward since the boards tolerate full dishwasher cycles and also rinse clean quickly under running water without needing heavy scrubbing. Titanium is naturally inert and does not shed particles or react with acidic foods, which gives extra peace of mind when preparing raw meat, seafood, and produce. The set includes 3 boards sized for different tasks, making it practical for everyday cooking at home as well as for camping or recreational vehicle travel. Unlike many traditional boards that stain, warp, or develop deep knife grooves, these titanium surfaces remain flat and smooth over long-term use, preserving both appearance and food safety.